I don't start. This is me, German Lucky Opera, the welder, the duplex and combination welder, weld all materials. Come, let me show you the pipe I'm welding. Weld. Pipe clad. This pipe clad for spool and jumper. That's what we do. This is our duplex workshop. Let's go inside and let me show you the 16 inches duplex I'm working on. Follow me. This duplex I'm working on. This is my welding machine. This is my welding machine. This is me doing it. Now I want to start the 16 inches duplex. Let me switch off and protect myself.